Hi, good evening.
Magandang gabi!
Hi, nandito kami ngayon sa City of Richmond, dito sa British Columbia. At ngayong araw na ito ay pupuntahan namin ang Richmond Night Market. Ano ba yung Richmond Night Market?
May mga food stall dito, mga tiangge, parang Pilipinas at saka mga parang perya, pero walang rides. And may mga shows din.
May mga shows, pero walang, parang ano sa atin yun, parang, peryahan, parang maliit na peryahan.
Yes.
Also, ano pala, nandito sila Ivy at Joseph.
Yeah.
First time nila na makakapasok dito sa Richmond Night Market. Pero ang gagawin namin ngayon is simple lang. Since mahal yung mga bilihin ngayon, titignan namin kung saan mapupunta o gaano ka...
Dami ang mamibili namin sa worth $100.
Ayan. So tingnan natin kung mabubusog pa tayo o hindi, kung masarap pa yung pagkain o hindi, pwede natin i-rate mamaya. So ano pa yung iniintay natin?
Let's go, go, go!
Ano, Power Rangers?
Power Ranger!
It's like a lemon na hinaluan ng Yakult. That's how it tastes. Anong binili niya?
Barbecue, tapos chicken karage. Garlic. Ito, mayroon silang 2 beef, 1 pound, prawn, shrimp, tapos kebab.
Ano to? Like, parang you have to pick one by one?
Na mix, you can choose either one flavor.
How much is it for the four?
15. Yeah, 15.75.
For the four?
Yeah, and this one 18 bucks.
18 bucks for that. How do you like it?
It's Arabic flavor. Sweets.
Matamis ba? Sobra o hindi?
Para siyang may lasang buko. Pagkabuko, no?
Parang lasang gamot.
Recommended ba?
Depends kung wala kayong diabetes.
Okay. Yes.
Tamis na.
Tamis ba? Sobra?
Hindi ka pwede sa may diabetes.
Hindi pwede sa mga diabetes. Alam yan, tandaan nyo, hindi raw pwede sa mga diabetic pa. Parang yung kebab mo kanina.
Flavor kebab.
Yung flavors, the same as the other one.
Good.
Chewy ba? Chewy?
Chewy. Very chewy.
Yung dapat yung chan ang kinuha mo. Ay, yung
Ito
ulo.
nga yun dyan gusto ko eh.
Kebab na, kebab ko.
What? Lasang kebab. Same lang.
Arabic.
Ano? Parang kebab ba?
Arabic flavor.
Same flavor lang. Same flavor lang, oh.
Kainin mo na, agad mainit. Kunin mo na yung buhok. Apat naman yan. Dapat lagyan mo ng ice cream para alam mo.
Kapareho lang ito.
Hindi naman.
Yung play yun, no? Yung na-butter siya, no?
Lambot.
Sweet.
So, ano masasabi niya?
It was a fun experience. Maraming pagkain. Iba okay lang. Iba masarap. Matamis, salty, at saka yung mga changke. I was looking for a hair clip pero wala akong nakita. But overall, it's a good place
Good
to
place.
visit. Maybe once a year.
Sa akin lang yung pagkain, okay naman siya, pero parang normal lang. At saka meron rin yung kanina parang parehong lasa yung squid nila parehong lasa ng barbecue nila. Parang yung isang spices flavor lang.
Isang powder lang at yung ginamit.
Yeah.
Yung ano naman, may entrance. Kung lima kayo, mas mabuti bumili kayo ng, ng express pass. Zoom pass kaysa bumili kayo ng individual ticket kasi mas mahal.
Bakit? Anong difference?
Siguro...
May mga $3 difference. Tsaka maghihintay kayo ng mas matagal sa loob.
Oo, mahaba yung linya. Masyado mahaba yung linya.
Advantage ba?
May advantage.
Kayong dalawa.
Sa akin, yung weather lang yung pangit ngayon.
Ulan na.
Umuulan. Pero,
When do you think is the best time to come here?
yeah, I think around August, I think.
Oh, yeah.
Wow, na hindi masyado umuulan. And at least hindi gloomy at hindi malamig. Hanggang
Better check the weather app before you come.
Pero huwag kayong magtitiwala sa weather na announcement. Pero kasi, there's a lot of changes.
Ngayon kasi cloudy lang na.
Yeah.
Pero umambot naman.
Yeah, but it's quite fun.
yung peryahan nila, yung what do you think of it?
Yung peryahan nila, I think, is quite fun, but not that exciting.
Hindi kagaya ng Pilipinas, ha?
Yeah, it's not like in our
Price din.
It is.
Yeah, I think
Yeah.
they are started in $10 for some games, but yes, but most of their their prices or their price for the games is not like appropriate for their yeah.
We're supposed to spend $100 only. Pero lumagpas kami, naging 140.
50 na between that.
130 siguro.
But it's for,
Pero,
4 person.
yeah, for 4 person. Pero kung i-divide mo by 4, siguro mga 35 per head. Which is, tama naman, not bad naman.
Yeah,
Not bad.
if you include the
Plus the entrance.
Plus the entrance. So, you're looking at least almost
$40.
50.
40, 50.
yeah,
40 to 50 per head.
Per head.
Kaya kung I think may differential yata pag magdala yung pagbibili ka ng ticket para sa mga bata. It's lower, I think.
I think
it's
7
free.
below is
It's
free.
free?
7 below. And in the senior 60 above is free.
And
Those door exemption.
yung food, do you think it's expensive? Mahal ba yung mga pagkain?
Yeah, that's a little bit expensive. Yeah, a little bit expensive. Maybe it depends if where they're selling it.
Oh.
Yeah.
Kung ako sa inyo, mamimili na lang kayo ng yung mga pagkain dito yung maramihan. Hindi lang yung dadalawang piraso lang. Dapat maramihan ang pipiliin nyo.
Yeah, especially for your group.
Oh, kung group kayo, may family
Sharing is
kayo,
better.
you wanna share.
Yeah, taste
Dapat.
every dish or menu
Para
that they have. Yeah.
Don't forget to bring cash also.
Okay.
Yeah.
Overall,
Yeah, I think we can just rate from 10 to
Anong rate?
7. I think 7. 7 is fine. Yeah.
7. Babalik po ba kayo dito next year?
It depends.
Depends.
Yeah. We cannot say yes and no because I think every year they have a different event or type of ang ba tawag sa
Ikaw, babalik ka?
Pakulo ba? Pakulo.
Sa akin, once a year.
Once a year. So, yeah.
Just to experience.
So, overall, 7 out of 10.
Yeah, that's fine.
And we had fun.
Yeah.
Busog na kami. And nagpapasalamat kami dahil sinamahan niya kami ngayon. And again, until next time,
Don't forget to like and subscribe to the
Yes.
video. Thank you for watching.
See you next year.
so let's go.
Go, go, go.
Hi guys, don't forget to like and subscribe on our channel. Till next time. Bye. Go, go, go.